Welcome to the new SMA Online Service Center. In this video, we present the functions of the new SMA service platform. Here, you can contact our service team, look at the status of your active service cases, and access information on products, innovations, and software updates. First, create your personal account via the homepage of the Online Service Center. After registering, you can use the various areas of the Online Service Center via the menu items on top. Via the menu item Topics, you can select different categories from our knowledge database to access service information or details about our products. Your existing service cases can be found under My Cases. You can enter new cases using the Create Case button. If you want to enter a request concerning a device that is already registered in SMA Sunny Portal, select the appropriate system and the device under the item My Sunny Portal Plants. By clicking on the menu item More, you can switch to other SMA websites where you have the option of applying for an extended warranty for a device, for example. There is a central global search bar in the upper area of each page. Here, you can enter a search term, and knowledge articles related to it will be shown automatically. You can also access existing service cases in our system here. To enter a request concerning a device from the SMA Sunny Portal, please enter your access data in the dialog field first. The Online Service Center shows you all the systems that are saved in your SMA Sunny Portal account. The Product Overview button takes you to the products registered in the system. The Request button lets you create a new case for a device. The best way to create new requests is by using the menu item My Cases. Click the Create Case button and enter all relevant information for your request. Terms that you enter in the field Subject will be compared automatically with our knowledge database. The relevant articles are then displayed on the right side. Click on Submit to save your request to our system. You can also add files to your request. When you access a request via the menu item My Cases or directly via the global search bar, all details and attachments for this case are displayed. Using the Mail function on the right side lets you contact our service team. To send your message, click on Share. Our service team's responses are automatically shown in the communication and can also be sent to you by email. Installers can also request a replacement device via details of your request. This function can be found in the lower part of the request overview. All relevant information must be provided for the replacement request. If important information is missing, you will be automatically prompted to add it. If the replacement device is to be delivered to a different address, it must be entered or confirm your already stored address by clicking Next. To complete your replacement request, confirm the SMA Terms of Delivery in the dialog box. Then you will see an overview of all your entered data. Once the device replacement has been completed and the conditions for paying the SMA service rebate have been fulfilled, you can request the service rebate via details of your request. Thank you for your attention, and we are happy to welcome you to our new SMA Online Service Center.